Hey everybody, I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms Restorations and Repairs here in the mountains of North Carolina. I've been on YouTube for about 8 years now on the main Farpoint Farms channel. If you haven't checked it out, probably ought to. A lot of older content there, but that's kind of a variety channel. This channel will be focusing on automotive related topics, scan tools, automotive tool reviews, repair videos, how-to videos, modifications and upgrades, and of course restorations and repairs. That's what I do here. I figured why not share that experience with the rest of you here on YouTube. So go ahead and take a look at this video. I got a little montage thrown together of some of the work that I've done. See if it's interesting to you, and I'll be right back.
Nothing like living a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm. Even though the work is hard, at the end of the day, feeling like a country star, smoking a cheap cigar. There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet, liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms. I'm coming in loud and clear, might hear me on the radio. Breaker, breaker, 19, anybody got their ears on? The man on the other end, from miles away, new friends were made, had words to say. Nothing but respect for you, we'll never tread on you at Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet, liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms. Something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet, liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms.
So there it is. That's who I am. That's what I do. If you like that style of content, then you'll probably love Farpoint Farms Restoration and Repair, the channel. And I hope we can grow together for another 8, 20, whatever it is, however long I've got left on this earth. But we're going to be doing some restorations here. I'm getting ready to start a new project to restore over the winter. I'm going to bring you along for that ride in a way that I never did in my main channel because the focus was kind of more broad and not so detailed. If you're interested in old Volkswagens, if you're interested in old Yugos, and if you're interested in old cars in general, lots of cool stuff to come over the years. If you're interested in just general repair stuff or information for new technicians who are just struggling to make it in this great career path, well then stick around for that too, because I got a lot of sage knowledge from all those years of being a master tech, working at both dealerships, independents, franchises, and now for myself. I hope you'll join it. If you do, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and maybe even hit the bell notification icon, and I'll see you next time. Take care.